Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome! Nagbabalita ng mga update ng Grow a Garden. Siyempre ako yun, nagbabalita ako. Baka naman, like and subscribe kasi may challenge tayo. At saka pala, meron tayong worst update. May magandang balita tayo. Yung isa, masambang balita. Because look at my money and di ko alam kung gano'n nangyari dito. Bakit akong pinakababa guys? Ano ba yun? Yung Q at I? Parang Q at I Yung Q at I parang mahal na ngayon kasi sa SX. Guys, papayag ba kayo nun? Tapos, yung yung balita ko maganda, meron tayong polar bear, basa nyo. Tapos, yung corruptive kitsune natin, sabi raw nila, pag 100 na level yung pet nyo, lalaki. Siyempre, wala tayong bin. Nawala na tayong bin. Inubos ko na. Ano ba to? Griffin to ba? Hindi ko alam. Well, tuloy na natin yung video, no? Yung where's my corruptive kitsune? Where is my corruptive kitsune right now? Tapos nyo na. Oh my god. Okay. Wait. I need that right now. Do you want money? Okay. Do you want money? Do you want money? Thank you. Do you want money? I said, do you want money? Ano ba to? Ano ba tong player na to? Balakad-lakad. Okay. Trade me this. Please. Oh my god, she's walking away. Alam ko pag gano'n yan pag naglalakad yan tignan nyo guys, magte-teleport yan, boom. Kung sino kanina tong fox? Oh no. Trade me this. I have money. Wait, what? No, wait, right? What the fuck? Guys, huwag na natin kausapin tong isang player na to. May XXXXJ. Mas mahal pa sa akin yung pera, lalo. No way you are rich, but I'm the richest. No way you are rich, but I'm the richest. I have S and S A. Wrong tagging to this. S E. I have S E, man. I have that money. I have that money, man. Do you have that? English or Spanish? English, man. Trading. I need that right now. Magkano kaya babe? Oh, you want to trade? What the hell? Okay, I want to pray. Oh no, wrong guy. Oh no. But I want to Super Ino, man. Ano yan? Luom na yan. Mga luom na yan eh. Tignan nyo to guys. Kung meron ka. Okay. OMG, if you want to offer that, I will give you. Oh shit! Ay, alam ko na pala yung update na to. Buti hindi niya in-accept mo. Chupa Ino, hindi naman maganda kasi sa... Alam niyo naman kung ganun kakalabasan ng Corruptive Kitsune ko, di ba? Kaya, let's go. Yun pala ang event, ayun yung trading. Binalik na nila yung normal. Pero nila yun. Parang binaliktad nila, oh. Hindi ko alam kung ganun nangyayari dito, guys. Pero, naglalako na ako. Lollipop. I have challenge, bro. Sasabihin ko sa kanya. Bro, I have challenge. Come with me. Bro, I have challenge. Come with me. I have 13 lollipop. And my Corruptive Kitsune level 41. Well, kalanin natin ligpitin lahat, no? Siyempre, alam nyo naman, masikip, baka hindi pala naka-hurt. Yes. Come. La. It's time to face him. No way. I got... No. Ubusin natin lollipop natin, guys. Hindi natin lalagay ito sa machine, no? Pinapanood ko kasi, well, yung walang mega. Oh my gosh. Is level. Guys, look, my Corruptive Kitsune level 54. Guys, look, my Corruptive Kitsune is level. No way, right? Guys, look, my Corruptive Kitsune level 54. Let's see, man. Oh my god. Guys, lumaki ba siya? Parang hindi. Tayo nang natin 100. Kunantayin ko ng no? Cheater, eh. Like and subscribe, guys, kung maganda din tong update na to. Hindi ko lang kung kailan binalik ni kasi guys, parang nawala yung screen ko, parang nag-black magic. Hindi yata. Parang nag-white screen, tapos para ako na oh my god, what is going on? Yeah, sabi ko na. Ayun yung sinabi ko. Oh man, that's mega. Yan yun na, guys. Wow. At least yung lollipop ko is done. Well, guys, antay natin yung new event again. Diba, guys, alam nyo yung new event? Ano nangyari? Baka naman, guys. Magpapamigay yata ako ng awo para sa mga like and subscribe ko. No way, Chef Kitsune. Anyway, meron pala akong awo. Ipapamigay ko na ito. Kahit i-cook yung nyo. Yung garden nyo. Kung gusto nyo makakuha na ito, mag-like and subscribe kayo. And mag-join kayo. Any friends ko dyan, titirahin yung awo ko. Baka meron naman din ako ng polar bear. Please, bilisan nyo na. Polar bear. Well, guys, kinalik ko to. Oh, no, not that. Ito na. Sorry, guys. Mamili kayo sa isa. Siyempre, itong mythical. Ayan, guys, mythical siya, no? Ito naman, ayaw ipakita baka yan eh. Magaling kayong mamili eh. Alam ko ni mga ugali niya eh. Yan, ipapakita ko na kung gano'n to. Alam niyo naman, legendary. Tapos mythical. Siyempre, legendary ang winner. Kasi guys, alam niyo ano nanto. It's 213 point na. Papamigay ko to sa mga nagla-like and subscribe sa akin. Anong problema niyo guys? Guys, tignan niyo. Nakakuha ko. Just watch and learn, guys. No, my heart broken. Ayan guys, oh. Makikita niyo yung white bear. Nasa akin. Gusto niyo kumuha. Isa na lang matitira dun sa akin. Oh, ayan. So, mag-like and subscribe kayo to my YouTube channel. You want to get this or this one? Well, hindi ko alam po paano nagagawa nito. Basahin nyo. Okay guys, nagawa nyo na, no? Nabasa nyo na. Alam nyo naman din to, diba? Oh shit, Aurora! Okay guys, like and subscribe. Ito, mag-cook ng mga, you know, like fruit. Yup, like fruit. Ano pa ang hinihintay natin? Ang gagayain natin YouTuber. Pero hindi talaga ako YouTuber guys. I'm lying to you. Because ako na nagbabalita sa Pro Garden. Bye everyone! Get here. Don't be late because I want to trade this. Look at that picture. Did you see that? Did you see that, man? It's Mecha Man. Ay, 100. Guys, pag ako mayroong ganyan, papakainin din. Pinakain na guys. Well, bye-bye guys. See you tomorrow if you want to get this. Goodbye. Like and subscribe.